Thank you for taking a moment of your time to find out what the big banks don't want you to know about getting a mortgage today. Unless you've been under a rock for the past few years, we've all heard about the trouble that has come into real estate due to the subprime lending that was going on.
The next question is to talk about the subprime lending meltdown. Who do you think was at fault? I start with you, Governor Palin. Was it the greedy lenders? Was it the risky homebuyers who shouldn't have been buying a home in the first place?
It only seems like yesterday when it was so easy to get a home loan. So-so credit? No problem. No down payment? No problem. There's a home loan for everyone.
Home loan made Paul irritable. Then he went to Washington Mutual. Thanks to their flexible lending rules, Paul got a quick approval. Now he's always in a great mood.
Well, not anymore. If you turn on the news today, all you can see is how hard it is to get a mortgage for your new dream home. If you're thinking about buying a home today, you've probably heard you'll need to put down at least 20 to 25%. I've even had people tell me that they heard on the news that if you didn't have 20% for the down payment and $10,000 left in the bank after the down payment, you cannot take advantage of these incredibly low interest rates on homes today.
But tougher lending standards and new rules are making mortgage money much harder to get. In fact, these days, only about half of the applications that are filled out move on to completion. While money in the bank and a great credit score will certainly help,
well, I'm here to tell you that all of this may be true when you talk with the other lenders or listen to that newscaster who's never once in their life been involved in home financing. Yes, it is true that a lot has changed when it comes to buying and financing a home today. Don't let yourself be fooled by the big banks, though, into thinking that you have to have perfect credit along with a large down payment in order to have the joy and freedom of home ownership.
As a matter of fact, the very first property that I bought, I had zero down on everything. I didn't have to come up with 1 cent out of my pocket.
I've been helping people just like you take advantage of the big mega banks to buy your dream home without the need of a large down payment. Shh. Here is something that the other banks will get really mad if you find out about. At the end of last year, I introduced a one-of-a-kind program that can show you how to save $53,272 guaranteed in interest payments on your next home purchase using my exclusive Super Saver mortgage program.
You were a godsend to us. You were referred to us by a friend of mine, and I think if we hadn't had that, I don't think we would have closed our loan and we'd be homeless right now.
There is so much information I have available that the big banks don't want you to know about. I've put together a 2-part special report called What the Big Banks Don't Want You to Know About Getting a Mortgage Today. All you need to do to get your copy of the free special 2-part report is simply email freereport@johnmckinley.net and in the subject line put special report. Or you can call my office directly, 281-719-5151, and say, send me that special report on how I can save $53,272 on my next home.
Used all of John's strategies and everything, and I really enjoy working with us.